Nevada Virtual Academy. One more problem. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Max decides to carve out a cylinder in a wooden cube. The cube has a side length of 6 centimeters and the cylinder has a radius of 2 centimeters. What is the surface area of the cube after the cylinder has been carved out? Okay. It's always good to make that cube so you can picture it in a better way. Okay, I got a cube. The face I'm looking at is a square. I got the top of my cube here, right? I got the right side, and obviously, you know, the size that we cannot see on the back. We know this is not a perfect one, but hey, it's gonna help. Each side is 6 centimeters. Max is kind of crazy guy today. He's carving out the cylinder in this wooden cube. Got a, you know, the special tool. And Max, we assume, will carve out that cylinder right in the center. So it'll be a circle on the top. He carves down, and at the bottom will be the same circle, because everybody knows a cylinder, right? He's got 2 circles as its basis. Now that cylinder has a radius of 2 centimeters. Can somebody tell me what is the height of that cylinder? Well, if it's carved out of that wooden cube, its height is going to be 6, right? Good. Everybody agrees with me. What is the surface area of the cube after we cut that? Okay. Now, if you want to start with those, you know, lateral sides, that one, you know, the one you're looking at, the one from the right, the one from the back, and the other one from the left, they're untouched, right? There will be how many squares? Well, 4 squares with a side of 6, which makes it 36 each. Because I have 4 of them, will be 4 times 36. Okay? This is the lateral area, lateral surface area. But now, if you check the top and the bottom of this wooden circle after you carve the cylinder, it looks like they're missing a circle each, right? A circle with the radius of 2. And to find that area, I need to subtract from the initial squares area, right, the carved circles area. Well, the area of the square, the initial square, was a 6 by 6, that is 36, right? From which I'm going to take the area of the carved circle. We know the circle's area is pi r squared, which in this case, because r is 2, is going to be pi 2 squared, which is pi times 4, which will be 4 pi. But now I got top and bottom. Right? Top and bottom will be 2 times that. 2 times that is going to be 72, because 2 times 36 is 72. Minus 2 times 4 pi will be minus 8 pi. Alright? What is 4 times 36? Well, 4 times 36 is 144. And all you have to do next is to add those up, right? 144 plus 72 minus 8 pi, and this will give you top and bottom and the sides, right? Which makes what? 72 plus 144, 2 plus 4 is 6, 7 plus 4 is 11, 216 minus 8 pi. But are we done? Think about it. Are we done with the surface area of the carved cube? Is this all? Is this the question? Is this the answer? Well, obviously, if you're looking at your possibilities here, neither one of them looks like that, so obviously we're missing something. And you were right if you notice that, hey, inside this cube, I will have a round surface, which will be nothing else but the carved out cylinder, the missing cylinder. The missing cylinder in there, which will give an inside surface area to my carved cube, and that's what I'm looking for. I need to find what is the surface area of this cylinder. And as you guys notice here, okay, this is going to have, or going to be equal to the circumference of the two bases times the height of the cylinder, right? So I will have the circumference times height. But the circumference of this cylinder, like for any other circle, to find the circumference will be 2 pi r. But the radius in this case is 2. So that circumference will be 2 times pi times 2, which makes it 4 pi. And I have 4 pi times height, but the height, because my cylinder is carved in the cube, will be the same with the side of the cube, which is 6. And that, you know, tells me that the surface area of the cylinder, which is inside my cube now, right, because it was carved, will be 4 pi times 6, which makes it 24 pi. Now this needs to be added to the top, bottom, and lateral area. This is the inside surface area. You add that, okay, you add 24 pi, and you find the total surface area of your carved cube will be 216 minus 8 pi plus 24 pi is going to be positive 16 pi. And this is the answer to this problem. 216 plus 16 pi. This is it. We got it. You should be happy. Take a break. Think about the problem. Think about your troubles. They should be shrinking. Thank you, guys.